Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and we got a great one today. Not so much, well, it's been a great one in terms of look at this, 804 up to $9. Very, very good. But I want to show you again, and I know sometimes it probably appear like I'm nagging on this, but if you have our premium service and you have the AI, please, 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 please add the reentry time and the reentry price column. Look what happened with KLDO. We had an entry at 10:35. That was the time. At 8:28, hey, it got stopped out. It happens. Okay. But guess what? It does happen. And there was the exit about 13 minutes later. Okay. But look what happened. We have what we call a reentry price that is all that it's nothing hugely scientific. I mean, it's just halfway between the original entry price and the stop price. In this particular case, it would have been 816. You had an opportunity then to get back into that trade about 8 minutes later, and look what happened. From 816, I mean, I'm not saying I don't know where it's going from here, but from 816, it's got up to 911 anyway, pulling back a little bit. But again, just the whole idea though of making sure that you have the reentry time and the reentry price. You can add the stop too, of course, but these two are critical. And the thing is that you will get alerted also as a sound alert when a reentry happens. Okay, so please do yourself a favor. You can take more advantage of our premium service and using the AI if you add this column here. I'm not saying I don't even know what this one did. This is another one, 8627. I really don't know if yeah, so this didn't, I mean, this might turn into a nice long later on. But it's a little bit choppy, but right there it's 8622. There was a potential re-entry, 8627. It got stopped out. It happens, guys. That's why we have stops in place. But I mean, please, please, please add these two columns. You can find them just by right-clicking on any one of the column headers and click on columns, and it's in alphabetical order. All you have to do is scroll down, and there they are. All right, so that is definitely more of a teaching, how to use the AI. And here it goes. I mean, maybe First Solar will do the same sort of thing. I know there are a lot of people that just wait for reentries. I mean, we don't get too many during the day. Sometimes you may not get any, but some people just wait for reentries and just trade the AI like that. All right, guys, I want to get back into the trading room, so I'm going to shut this down. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address, the link to the free room. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.